Hi guys, today we will talk about how to follow accounts from Instagram on your Threads app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you here in your profile, and all you have to do now, just go up here, you click here on this sign, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on follow and invite friends. Then it's going to take you here in this window, then you just click here on follow accounts from Instagram. Then here you will find all accounts you have on your Instagram. You connect with this account you have. So I don't have account connected with my Instagram, but if you have, you will find here all friends you have on your Instagram. Here can you follow. So that's all you have to do. I wish no I get it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.